Everybody, we're going to do a quick YouTube video. I have my granddaughters in here, so just in case it gets a little loud. So I'm just going to start with two different blue colors. I have denim and aquamarine. It doesn't really matter what colors you use. So I'm just going to put some rubbing alcohol down.
I want blue. That one's green. I want blue. You know, this way. This way. Like that, okay?
You can use a straw. I have mine on a little turn thing that I stole from my kitchen. You can do a background like that. You can also use something like this. It's just you squeeze it. Just pushes around the inks. Like that. I like to use this. So now I just have some brown. This is the one I'm using. And I just have a small brush. I'm just going to do an outline of a tree. So I hope everybody's staying safe and washing your hands with all this stuff going on today. This coronavirus stuff. My grandkids and I are quarantined in the house because I don't want to get it. So we've had a lot of craft days. So basically you're just going to get just a basic tree. Remember, half of this is going to be covered. Sometimes I just dip back into the brown and just drag it out just to get like little detail in it. And this is what I like about alcohol ink. It's kind of hard for anyone to steal your ideas because they all look different. I could never get the same effect twice if I tried. Okay, so I don't really do a lot of live videos. Usually I just do them all speeded through so I don't have to talk. But I thought since I'm stuck here with the kids and this is all I've been doing, I would try to do a quick video. So I'm happy with that. So we'll move on to the next color. Okay, so something else I like to do is I like to, not over your painting, but off to the side, I like to put some rubbing alcohol on my fingers. I just like to splash it onto the painting. And I just dry it quick. Okay, so now I have, it's like a turquoise color stream alcohol ink. Take one of these little dental sticks. I got these on Amazon. I'm just gonna do little dots.
Oh, I'm having this pink card. This squirrel's here.
My granddaughter is using the shop bag to clean up my glitter. Good job, Azera. If you get a lot of alcohol ink on there, it'll make a bigger circle. If you just do a little dab, get a smaller one. You can do it inside the other ones.
Letters, not numbers.
Okay, and then we'll dry that quick.
Food here.
Now I've switched on to some flamingo.
Just don't bend anything. Yeah. Oh, that's my yummy got this piece. That's how I got this. I could have put it like this. They'll get the food for you. First I had to. Oh wait, I did some meat some of these. I'm just gonna go up first. Okay. There's this okay. It goes here.
I like to do them by themselves. I like to put them inside the first color that I did. Usually I use like 3 different colors for the leaves. My granddaughters are pretending they're doing a YouTube video as well. How's your YouTube video, Lola?
Good.
Good?
Lola, you can have these. I don't want them. I don't want them. Hey, that's yours. Okay, just no well said, okay? Actually, in my pocket. I don't think this will work well, so I can't go in the trash. Here's it in my big spot.
Now I'm gonna
decorate this.
I'm gonna touch it up with some yellow.
Yeah. But I don't know what's the yellow at.
I got the yellow.
You need some yellow paint?
That's pretty much it.
How's your big love sign?
I always say less is more. And if you want, you can touch it off with the little alcohol in your hands. You can spritz it and then dry it. And there you go. You have a nice tree. Took, what, 7 minutes to make. there you have it.
Okay, set this one.
Oh, what I like to do is I like to, I have little black mats that I put all my art in. But like I said, everybody's different. I usually top mine off with a mat.
I can't do this.
That mats it into an 8x10.
It's not funny.
So, if you have any questions, send me a message. If you try it, go to my Instagram, Paint with Lola. Or you can look me up on Facebook, Paint with Lola. I have a group page on there. So I hope everybody stays safe and wash those hands, everyone.